Hi everyone, Teacher Jai here. It's been a few weeks since my last update in my page, and I want to take this time to share why. And more importantly, I want to share how amazing God has been in my life. A few weeks ago, I got really sick. I was diagnosed with chickenpox kay natakdan ko sa mga estudyante sa school. And I thought it would just be a short recovery, pero it became more serious. It developed into pneumonia. I was admitted to the hospital for 10 days, and honestly, those were some of the hardest days of my life, filled with fear, uncertainty, and kakapoy physically. But while I was in the hospital, I realized a lot of important things. I saw who truly cares and who is willing to go out of their way just to help. Nakita na ko ang mga tao nga ready mo sacrifice sa ilang time, energy, and resources just to support me. It was humbling and it really showed me the beauty of genuine love and kindness. More than that, I felt God's goodness. Even in the middle of struggle, even in the moments of fear, loneliness, and worry, I could feel His presence. Usahay makalimot ko sa akong mga kabalaka because I could really sense that God never abandons us. He strengthens us when we feel weak, and He gives comfort in times of uncertainty. Those 10 days tested me physically, emotionally, spiritually, but they also brought me closer to the Lord than ever before. Life is unpredictable, and we all face challenges. Sometimes it feels like everything is against us. Pero this experience teach us lessons about faith, gratitude, and perspective. They remind us there is always hope. We are never truly alone, and God's plan are bigger than our fears. So, if you are going through a difficult time right now, I want to encourage you. Trust God. Trust His timing. Trust His ways. And notice the people He placed in your life. Those are willing to help, to give, and to love without expecting anything in return. Sila jud ang nagpakita sa tunay nga love sa Dios sa Ginoo sa atong kinabuhi. So thank you to everyone who sent prayers, messages, and love while I was in the hospital. Your support truly meant the world to me. And most importantly, thank you, Lord, for your mercy, your protection, and your unfailing love. Remember, even in the darkest moments, there is light. Even in our weakness, there is strength. And even in our fear, there is hope. Padayon lang sa pagtuo. Keep believing and keep moving forward. I'm back now, feeling stronger, healthier, claiming, and more grateful than ever. And I'm really excited to continue this journey with all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!